Hello folks, hope you're having a good day. I tried to grow some regular pole beans here. Just some green beans. So what ended up happening though is I've actually pulled some of these up. This isn't sun damage. This isn't a lack of nutrients. This is the result of root damage. And when I inspected the roots of some of them, I found nematode damage. So basically, I think nematodes are underground here, wreaking havoc on these pole beans. So what I'm going to do to try to fix that is I'm going to grab some shrimps. Now you can get shrimp meal, but it's kind of expensive per pound. It's like $6 per pound. That's a lot, and I don't need anything that fancy. All I need are the shrimp shells. What I'll do with them is I'll bury them underground or in little spots throughout. And the nematodes are supposed to be attracted to the shrimp shell. But there's a chemical in the shrimp shell that apparently kills those nematodes. So we're going to see what happens. I got to buy some shrimp first. I'll do a video where I'm putting the shrimp into the ground, and then we'll see if there's any kind of after effect as to whether or not these pole beans either revive or if I can grow some new ones and they just simply do better than these did. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned because I'll be providing updates. Have a good day.